afternoon, everyone. I would like uh, to present the drawing that has been done in the model space and and to put them into the paper space, which is under the layout plan. In the project brief, uh, we we need to uh, present the different drawing into the paper space, and there are the horizontal alignment, the long section or the vertical alignment, the cross sections, and existing plan and earthwork battles. For the setting of the paper space, we will need to go to the plot and then to set the plotter to drawing to pdf.pc3, and the paper size need to be like A3, ISO full bit A3, 420 by 4297 mm, which is a landscape. Later on, you need to click apply to layout and then cancel. Later on, after we do this, finish the setting up, we need to uh, go into the layout plan and then zoom it to bigger, zoom it with a zoom factor of 1000 xp divided scale, and scale in this case is 1000, 1 to 1000. So the zoom factor will be 1 xp. Even with the for the vertical alignment or long section, which has two scale, which is 1 to 1000 and 1 to 200, we will adopt the scale of 1 to 1000, and in that case, then the zoom factor will be 1 xp as well. Okay, so in this model space, we will need to present this one as a horizontal alignment. This one is the vertical alignment or the long section. This is as the cross sections, and this one is the upward limit with petals. Okay, so I will click on the layout plan. I will down at this bottom left. I will later on I will create 4 layout plans. Okay, so and will rename them as the horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, cross sections, and the upward limits with petals. So firstly, this one I will rename it as the horizontal alignment. Okay. In this layout plan, we will need to do something to change the setup. So we will click this box and we go to the plot. So the printer and plotter will set to the drawing to be pdf.pc3 and the paper size to ISO full bit A3 420 by 297 mm, and then the scale we will need to change it to 1 to 1, and we apply to layout and escape. So this is a this is this page should be a A3 size. So it's about 415. Okay, so it's about less. It's let's say less than the 420. It's a A3 size. Okay, so we need to click this, and then we drag it to the full size. Okay, look at the left hand bottom corner. This triangle shows that it's in paper space. When double click the this one, the white page. This one, the axis, the y and x and y axis appear, so this become the model space, and we can do something inside. We can move the drawing, and then we can zoom it up. But we all the drawing, we later on we need to present the paper space, we need to lock it up. So when we want to go out from the model space, we will just double click the outside, so the light become this line will become lighter, and this is the paper space. You can see left bottom left hand corner become the rectangle appear again. Okay, so now we need to insert the title block into this page for the horizontal alignment. I've given you the this title block, so I will need to insert it by the command copy clip. Copy clip, and just highlight everything, enter. And I just paste. Okay. Okay, I double click and then move into model space. Then I want to zoom this up. This is the one. This one is my the paper. This one is my horizontal alignment. Okay. I will need to zoom it. Okay. I don't know what's the what's the scale for this the present one. I just zoom it to 1xp. Okay, 1xp, and I will need to lock the displays. Otherwise, I don't want to move around. How to lock it? I will need to click the outer box and then double left right hand click. I like that. And the lock displays lock. Yes. Okay. Even though I go into the model space, it will not. The display is locked. So it's safe. The scale will not change. So I double click. Okay, and for this one, this box here at the bottom right hand corner, they need to be filled up properly. Okay, because at the moment it's blank, you need to fill them up. I think it's in the sample here. Okay, so this one, the sample, you have to put in your name for the engineer, designer, the design drawn, check, and then approve. I think it's bottom there. The job title is a short word in, let's put in Hokitika. Okay, and the scale is this drawing title is horizontal alignment. The scale is 1 to 1000. The drawing number is, I just put in this case Hokitika C1. Okay, so these are the to fill up this the title block of this part of the title block. Just I think you just put in this. We can do all this in the paper space. Okay, so we don't want to do this in the, because this thing is all in the paper space. So we look at that. This one at the moment, the left right bottom left hand corner is paper space, but this thing these are in the paper space, so you can change. Whereas for this all the horizontal alignment, they are in the model space, so they are not they cannot be changed. Okay, that's for the horizontal alignment. Now we want to go to the vertical alignment. So I just for my case, for me, I would like to move this to the another place so that I wouldn't get confused. Where are they in the among the drawings? So this part of the my my page, I'm going to use it for presentation. So this is my vertical alignment of the paper. So now I will need to create another uh, layout, a new layout, just plus, and then I'm going to rename it as the vertical alignment. You could name it as the long section as well. Okay, so the vertical alignment, the layout is highlighted. So we do the same thing. I just click the box. I go to the plot, change the printer plotter to DWG to PDF.pc3. The paper size to ISO full bridge A3 420 by 297, and the scale I change to 1:1. Apply to layout. Insert. Okay. I will need to drag this box up again to the full size, covering all the area of the page. Okay, I double click. Remove the drawing. Okay, again I go to the title block. I want to copy clip this and insert into the layout plan for vertical alignment. Enter, and let's go to edit paste. Uh, okay, so you can see that that's a problem. This title block appears so small. What's the reason behind that is because I'm still in the model space. So I will need to come up from the model space. We look at the left hand bottom left hand corner, now in the paper space. So I go into the this on the title block again. I copy clip, enter. Now I go to the, and I go to this time should be the should be all right, because this is now in the paper space. Okay, so I just I go in from the paper space to model space. I zoom up this mm, this cross section, this long section, or the vertical alignment, and I zoom it. The zoom need to be done in the model space of this layout plan. Zoom, and scale factor is 1xp. Enter. Okay. Okay. I just now want to go out to the paper space. Double click. Okay, and then I want to lock the layout. Just click that, and left right hand click. Displays lock. Yes. Okay. But even I go in now, in the model space, the displays is locked. We cannot change the scale. Okay, the vertical alignment is done. I go back to the model space. I want to do the cross section as well. I copy the cross section. Okay. Now I want to create another new layout. I will name it as cross section. Okay. So I do the same, highlight again, do the same thing. Change the plotter to draw into pdf.pc3 and the paper size to full brick ISO A3 420 by 297 and the scale change to 1 to 1 and apply to layout, cancel. Okay, drag it to full size. Okay, so this at the moment is in, okay, just go in, I just bring the drawing up to the middle. And I want to change to paper space before I insert the title block. Okay, I copy clip, enter. I edit, paste. Okay, so I want to go into the model space to zoom up the cross section. Double click. And while in this model space, I type in zoom 1xp for the zoom factor. Okay, and I'm happy with that. I double click to go out to the paper space, and I want to lock the displays. Right hand click, displays lock. Yes. Okay. So that is for the cross section. Finally, I want to go to the this one, the upward battles. Upward limit and battles. I copy that. Okay, at the bottom here, I create another new layout. I change it to upward limits and battles. Okay, so do the same thing again. Plot DWG to PDF.pc3. Paper size is ISO full brick A3 to 420 by 297. Scale 1 to 1. Apply to layout, cancel, and I drag it up to full size. Okay, and I double click to go inside and move the drawing to the center. And I click outside the box to escape to the paper space. Now I want to copy clip the title block. Go to edit, paste. And I need to double click to go inside the paper space. Okay, so go into the model space. Okay. While in this model space, I type Z for zoom. Um, Z, okay, Z for zoom, and then the 1xp. I'll just escape Z for zoom. 1xp. Okay, and I go to the paper space. I lock this displays. Right hand click, displays lock. Okay, so now I've created these are four layout plan: the horizontal alignment, the vertical alignment, cross section, and upward limits and better. I also can print this out in PDF. PDF. Either I can print them out in separate file, or can put them all under the single all the multiple uh, sheet in a single file. So I intend to do it under the single file for the multiple sheets. So instead of going to a plot, I will go to this publish. Okay, under this publish, there'll be all these the publish option. These are multi-sheet file. Okay, and then will be prompt for name. The vector quality is I choose 2400, and raster image quality I choose 600. Okay, I just want to have four drawing. I don't want the drawing this one drawing, the first one drawing model. I don't want that. I want to remove it. So left with four. So I will go to publish. Already actually I have done one with drawing layout. This one is the next one is a drawing. So I just keep this as drawing.pdf. Select. Do you want to save the current list of sheet? I don't want to save them as okay. So I publish. Your printing or publishing job is processing the background. So I close it. So it should appear very soon under the at the moment it's not there yet. I think it will just come back again. Again. Still not out yet. It should be out. Okay, it's out now. Drawing. Okay. So now I have this a single file drawing.pdf, but it has four drawing uh four layout plan. Okay, the horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, um, cross section, and this one the the upward limit and better. This one apparently this one cannot be seen clearly. The the this one the contour is too light, so cannot be seen clearly. So actually they need to be they need to be changed to another color, the deeper color. Okay, I probably I don't have time to go back to do again. This is a bit too light. Okay, so actually it can be done. Um, okay, got it. It is. this is quite clear in the on the screen, but it's not when you look at in the PDF. It's not that clear. So actually, we can just I just change this one. Um, I just turn that off. The alignment center, alignment changes, alignment horizontal. Turn that off, and then the earthwork, turn them off. Okay, so all this I just I go to the property. So the layers are this one the color. Um, at the moment is this. I'm going to use a darker one. I think I just choose this one. The color add. And then I just okay, this one. This one it should be shown more clearly. So in the meantime, I just turn on the okay. So probably you can't see that much, but in the printing you should see it more clearly. Okay. In my other drawing, the drawing actually I can show it quite well. Okay, the one I sent to you. So okay, so okay, that's all for uh, the the guideline to how to do the drawing in the layout plan in the paper space, and how to print them out in the PDF with multi sheet file. Okay, thank you very much.